To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to read app notifications aloud when you are driving, first you have to put the desired app in the read notification aloud in the driving mode setting. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap driving. Tap other action. Under suggested action section, tap read notification aloud. Next, select the desired app you like your phone to read its notification aloud. As the example, we will select WhatsApp. Tap done button. Here you can do some customization, such as you can enable or disable don't read silent notification. If you set this option to on, then your phone will not read silent notification of the selected app. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when driving mode is active, your phone will read WhatsApp notification aloud. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.